You most probably are familiar with this classic memory game that is not only fun but also perfect for boosting your children's language skills. I go on a trip and I pack. It's ideal for multilingual families and it works wonders with a group of children or the whole family. Here's how it works. The first player says something like, I go on a trip and I pack a towel. The next player repeats the sentence and adds another item. So I go on a trip and I pack a towel and sunglasses. The list keeps growing. The challenge lies in remembering all the items in order. And if someone forgets, they're out of the round. You can also add a destination. I go on a trip to Malta and I pack. Or I go on a hike in the mountains and I pack. Or I go on a weekend trip to Madrid and I pack. This way you can focus on particular items and foster more specific vocabulary. Now let's make it even more exciting for multilingual families. Encourage your children to name the items in different languages. For example, say valise for suitcase in French or broek for trousers in Dutch. This keeps the game dynamic and introduces cross-language practice. If your children don't know how to say an item in one of their languages, use a Pictionary or let them ask for help. And for those who find it tricky to remember the list, allow them to draw the items on paper or on a whiteboard. This game is fantastic for vocabulary building, memory skills, and even teamwork. Plus, it's an opportunity to introduce useful travel-related words in your family's additional languages. So whether you're planning a real trip or just imagining one, I go on a trip and I pack is a playful way to connect, learn, and laugh together. For more activities and games, please have a look at our toolbox for multilingual families and the Parents' Guide to Raising Multi-literate Children. And as always, please comment, share, and subscribe for more games and activities.